Jogo makonyo e rito ringre ji ma otho e kuonde kano ringre sani dwaro ni gin bende yangi mana kaka jochiw thieth mamoko. Ka giloso e romo margi Kisumu gikoni piny owacho mondo mi oyanggi kendo puodhgi ka ipuodho tijgi mana kaka lakteche marango ringre ji ma osenindo. Jakom margi Elkana Mwinami oyango ni ok gibi yie ni ji ma bandi adonje tijno ni mar nitie ji ma opuodhi ne tiyo e kuonde mag kano ringre.
We are pushing forward for the enactment of a scheme of service for morticians, and we are very grateful that today, in the speech from the DG, he's also been able to recognize us and appreciated the challenges that we faced. We are hopeful that together moving forward, we'll be able to achieve some of the dreams that morticians across the country are facing.
We are asking the government of the day and the current government, let us recognize all these morticians wherever they are, so that they can be feeling part of the community, they can be feeling part of us, and they can also be recognized in their scheme of service, and above all, to make sure that their contribution is not only regarded as the last day, but the contribution to make sure the economy of the day is growing.
We are exploring partnerships in terms of enhancing their appreciation and knowledge and skills and competencies on preserving evidence for accountability, justice, as well as closure for families who have lost their loved ones.